Yeah, so this is EVS worksheet, students. We have to write V for vegetables in the space provided. Okay, these are the boxes, can you see these boxes, students? In these boxes, we have to write whether it is a vegetable or a fruit. So only we have to identify vegetables. Only we have to identify vegetables. Okay, and we have to write V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Okay, come on, repeat with me. V for vegetables. Okay, so students, first we have to identify the vegetables and we have to write in the box letter V. Letter V. Okay, so first picture is tomato. Tomato is a vegetable. Yes, so we have to write V here. We have to write V here. Okay, the next is pumpkin. Next is pumpkin. Okay, so pumpkin, do you think pumpkin is a vegetable? Yes, so we have to write again V here. Vegetable. Vegetable starts with V, no? The beginning letter is V. So we have to write V. Okay, now the next one is potato. Potato. Potato is a vegetable? Yes, so we have to write V here. We have to write V here. Okay, now the next is onion. Onion. Onion is a vegetable? Yes, so we have to write V here. We have to write V here. Okay, the next one is watermelon. Watermelon. Do you think watermelon is a vegetable? No, watermelon is a fruit. Okay, so we don't have to write anything here. Okay, we just leave this box as it is. Now the next one is strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry is a vegetable? No, so we don't have to write V here because strawberry is a fruit. Strawberry is a fruit. Okay. The next is orange. Orange is a vegetable? No, so we don't have to write V here. Okay. The next is cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable? Yes, so we have to write V here. We have to write V here. Okay, so like this only, students, you have to identify the vegetables and write V for vegetables in the space. Okay, now the next part is, students, you have to color the picture and write the name. You have to color first. You have to color. You have to color. Okay. So first, look at me, everyone. Tomato is in which color? Red color, no? So first, I will do at the borders. Look at me how I am doing, no? Like this only you have to do. Okay. So see, students, how I am doing. First, you have to do at the borders. Okay, then fill it inside. Then you have to fill inside. Okay. Do it neatly and follow only one direction, students. Okay. Like if you're using slant line means, sleeping line means use sleeping line only. Okay, so you have to fill it very neatly. So first you have to color the picture and write the vegetable name in the box. You have to write the vegetable name in the box provided over here. Okay, so for example, the first picture is of tomato. So let's write tomato, students. T means which letter? T letter. Very good. T. Ma. To. Tomato. Tomato. Okay. Now the next one is, students, potato. The next one is potato. So let's color potato. You know how to do? First, you have to do at the borders. Okay, first do at the borders, then fill inside. Then only you have to fill inside. Okay, everyone? So do it neatly, students. Okay, and you have to write the vegetable name. This is potato. Po. Potato. Okay, like this, students, you have to first color the picture, then write it name in the box. Okay, and you have to record an audio. You have to record an audio saying 5 vegetable names. Saying 5 vegetable names. Okay, and send us in the WhatsApp group. Now let's move to next worksheet, students. Now this is English worksheet, students. This is English worksheet. Okay. In last week, students, we completed vowels, no? What are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters. Okay. Now in today's class, students, we are going to learn about consonants. We are going to learn about consonant letters in the given picture. We have to circle the consonants. Consonants means, see, leaving all 5 vowels, whatever the leftover the letters are there, no? Those letters are known as consonants. Those letters are known as consonants. So you just have to keep in mind only 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So except these letters, rest over the letters are known as consonants. What are these? Consonants. Repeat with me, everyone. Consonants. Okay. So A is a vowel, no? So we don't have to circle A. H. So let's do one thing, students. We will write vowels here. A, E, I, O, U. So except these letters, we will circle the letters. Okay. Now look at the screen. A is here, no? So we don't have to circle A. H. Next letter is H. Do you find H in these 5 letters? No. So we have to circle H because H is a consonant. Okay. Now next is N. N. So you find N here? No. So we have to circle N. C. You find C here, students? No. So we have to circle C. The next letter is I. You find I here? Yes. So we don't have to circle I because I is a vowel. I is a vowel. Okay. The next letter is L. L. L is a consonant or vowel? Consonant, because here L is not there, no, in vowels. So very good. So let's circle L. V. V is also a consonant. P. P is also a consonant. Because do you find P here in these 5 letters? No. Yeah. Next is T. Next is T. So T is a consonant? Yes. So we have to circle T. A is here, no? So we don't have to circle A. E is also vowel. So we don't have to circle E. X. X. Yes, X is a consonant. So we have to circle X. F. Yeah, F is also a consonant. So let's circle F. U. U. Yeah, U is here, no, in the vowel. So we don't have to circle U. R. R. Yes, R is a vowel. So we have to circle R. O. O. Yes, O is also a vowel, so we don't have to circle O. S. Yeah, so let's circle S because it's a consonant. S is a consonant. J. J is again a consonant. Z. Z is again a consonant. Okay. H. H. Yeah, H is again a consonant. Okay, everyone. You just have to keep only 5 letters in your mind. Those are A. Repeat with me. A. E. I. O. U. Okay, only these 5 letters only you have to keep in your mind. Rest over the letters are consonant. Rest over the letters are consonant. Okay, now here students, you have to, in the second part, you have to circle the consonant letter in the given pictures. In the given pictures. Okay, the first one is M, I, and K. So in these 3 letters, students, which are the consonants? M, N, K. So you have to circle M and K. Okay. Now, the next letter is, students, J, A, W. Okay. So you have to circle consonant in it. So J and W. J and W. Very good. So you have to circle J and W. Okay. You just have to identify consonants in the picture and you have to circle and you have to circle. Okay, everyone? Yeah. Now, the next part is, students, match the pictures with the beginning letter of the picture name. Beginning means, students, starting. Beginning means starting. Beginning means starting. Okay, starting letter. So the first picture is, first we have to identify the picture. Okay, so the first picture is for fish. For fish. For fish. So for sound is, students, for F. So let's match fish with F. Okay. Now the next picture is car. 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 Okay. So let's match car with C because C sound is k. C sound is k. Okay. Now the next picture is pigeon. Pigeon. Okay. So pigeon. Pigeon. Okay. So let's match means P. Okay. And the last picture is dress. dress, dress. Okay, so let's match dress with D, dress with D. Okay, students, like this only you have to complete the worksheet. Okay, now let's move to next part, next worksheet. Now, in this worksheet, students, what you have to do, you just have to join the dots and color the picture. Write the name of the picture in the box given. In the box given. Okay, so come on everyone, let's do it. You all know the numbers from 1 to 10? Yeah, so let's match from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what it is, students? What it is? Onion. Very good. So let's write onion here. O N I O N. Onion. Come on everyone, repeat with me. O N I O N. Onion. Onion. Okay. So for and color it, students, and you have to color. You know onion is in which color? Pink color, light pink. Okay. You just have to do first do at the borders, then fill it inside. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.